Assalamu Alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. Before we learn anything else, let's learn the most important thing. Allah is the one who created everything. The sun, the moon, the stars, and even you and me. Allah is not like anyone. He doesn't need food or sleep. He is always there, listening to us, watching over us, and loving us. When we are happy, Allah knows. When we are scared, Allah is near. Allah is our Rahman, the most merciful, our Razak, the provider, and Al-Ghafur, the forgiver. He gave us the Quran to guide us and sent Prophet Muhammad to teach us how to live a beautiful life. So every time you say Alhamdulillah, Subhanallah, or Allahu Akbar, you are remembering Him. Let's love Allah, obey Him, and always make dua to Him. Tiny steps to Jannah. One video at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 5StarDeen. See you next time. Insha'Allah. Say this with me. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. This is called the Shahada, our first step to Jannah.